Hello guys, welcome to my channel Next Right. So today's video is very important. So in today's lives, everyone is talking about prompt engineering, but AI experts are now discussing something even bigger. That is loop engineering. Some people even say this is the future of AI. The three people most closely associated with the recent discussion about loop engineering are: the first person is Eddie Osmani. He popularized and named the term loop engineering in a blog post published in June 2026. He defined it as design system that prompt AI agent instead of manually prompting them USF. The second person is Bruce Cheney. One of his widely quoted statement was, "I don't prompt Cloudy Cloud anymore. I have loops running the prompt Claude. My job is to write loop." This quite helped bringing the idea into the spotlight. The third person is Peter Steinberger. He wrote on X, "You should not be prompt code agents anymore. You should be design loop that prompt your agents." His post went viral and sparked widespread discussion among AI developers. So I told you about what is the exactly the loop engineering is. So what is loop engineering? Think about this, that if when you hire an employee, do you tell them every single step? So I tell you about the practical example. So give it like a practical example and think about that. So think, when you hire an employee, do you tell them every single step? So your answer is exactly not. You simply give them a goal. For example, build a professional e-commerce website. You told to your employee and developer to build a professional e-commerce website. A good developer already know what to do. Uh, so they don't wait for you. After every step, they start planning, they write code, they test it, they find bugs, they fix bugs, they improve the design, they optimize performance, then they test everything. They repeat this process until the website is completed. This repetitive cycle is called a loop. Now imagine AI doing exactly the same thing. Instead of asking AI again and again, the AI keep working by itself until the goal is completed. This is a loop engineering. So why is it is called loop engineering? So your question is exactly that why it is called loop engineering, because the AI follow a continuous cycle. Means you give the goal to AI, they think, plan, do the task, check the result, found a mistake, improve it, check again, repeat until the work is finished. So basically the loop is continuously started, that until the work is finished, the loop is in continuous purpose. Instead of giving 10 different prompts, you give one goal. You only give one goal to your AI agent and they perform it. It is not needed yet that you give 10 different prompts for different uh, languages that write HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is not needed. So I give you the practical example of this. Yes, that imagine you are the CEO of software company. That imagine you are the CEO of software company. You tell the employee build an online shop website. You tell the employee about that build an online website. So you don't tell them write HTML, CSS, create login, fix bugs, improve speed, make it mobile friendly. The employee already know these steps. So basically, a modern AI agent works the same way. You simply give the final goal. The AI plans everything itself. It write code, test it, fix mistakes, test again, keep improve, finally deliver the project. This is the loop engineering, what it is a work. So your question is about, is the prompt engineering is finished or end of the prompt engineering? No, it is not the end of the prompt engineering. It is, but and a simple introduction to loop engineering. As AI continues to evolve, understanding concepts like this will help you stay ahead of the curve. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Next Byte AI, and press the bell icon so you don't miss future AI updates and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments, do you think loop engineering is the future of AI? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the